Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you how you can make rasmalai at home. First we are going to start by putting in some saffron and some nuts, any nuts of your choice, and crush them up. Then put the condensed milk, and if you want you can add sugar, but condensed milk was enough for us. After that we are going to keep it aside, and now let's make our small balls. First crack an egg and mix it nicely with the fork, and this is milk powder. You can take as much milk powder you want according to how much you want to make. Then like 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of maida, and then 2 teaspoon of ghee, and that's all we are going to need. After that we are going to mix it in very carefully, and then also add our egg in there just like this. Then mix it in until you have a dough-like batter or some, what do you call it, I don't know, but like this something you should be there. Then you are going to apply some ghee in your hand, and you are going to make small little balls out of it, just like how we are showing in here. This one, very small mini balls. It shouldn't be big because it is going to, when we are going to cook it, it's going to expand. And then just let it soak in that milk and keep it there. And slowly when you're going to turn it around one by one, you're going to see this. You can also make it for your family or any get together. It's like a go-to recipe. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Ma salama.